Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like, share, thanks. In this class we are going to discuss the conversion from H parameters to Z parameters. So this is a very important topic for problems. Okay, so first of all recall the information of H parameter equations and Z parameters equation. Okay, so these are the equations for H parameters and these are the two equations for Z parameters. So let's consider that this is the equation 1 and equation 2 and this is the equation 3 and equation 4. So these are the given equations. Now how can we bring the Z parameter equation from the given H parameter equations? So observe here. So second equation and fourth equation, compare here. So here I2, I1, V2 is there. So similarly in fourth equation I1, I2, V2 is there. So bring the V2 equation from second equation. So then we get the fourth equation in terms of H parameters. So see here. From the second equation, bring this term to left hand side. Then it becomes I2 minus H21 I1 that's equal to H22 V2. Now similarly bring this H2 on left hand side. So here multiply it is, now it becomes divide. So I2 minus H21 I1 by H22 that's equal to V2. So by rewriting this equation as, so V2 equal to 1 by H22 I2 minus H21 by H22 I1. So I am going to rewrite the equation, these two terms replace. So then we get V2 equal to minus H21 by H22 I1 plus 1 by H22 I2. So now compare this equation with fourth equation. V2, I1, I2 is there. So Z21 is the I1 coefficient and Z2 is the I2 coefficient. So from this we'll get, so I1 coefficient is this is. So it is nothing but Z21. So Z22 means I2 coefficient. So this is the Z21 and this is Z22. Now similarly find the Z11 and Z12. So how can you find it? So there is the first equation is there. So when you observe the first equation, V1, I1, V2 is there. So when comparing with third equation, V1, I1, I2 is there. So this is extra. Okay, here V2 is there. So here I2. So by removing V2, we will get I2. So from equation 2, we have the V2 equation. Now substitute here. So then we will get the, so V2 means here I2, I1 form. Okay, function of I2, I1. So by substituting here, we will get V1 in terms of I1 and I2. So from that we will get the V1 equation in that third equation. Okay. Now see here. I am going to remove the V2 here by substituting this data. So I got it from second equation. This is now I2 minus H21 into I1 by H22. I am going to replace V in the place of V2. So then we will get V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 into, so V2 means I2 minus H21 I1 divided by H22. Now bring I1 I2 terms on one side. Okay, so then we get the V1 equation. Okay, now by simplifying this we will get, so then we get H11 H22 minus H12 H21 by H22 into I1 plus H1 divided by H into I2. Okay, so by comparing with the third equation, so it is nothing but Z11 and this is the Z22. So I am going to replace this numerator data with delta H. So I will tell why I am going to replace with delta H means, so here delta H means data of the H matrix. So delta H is equal to H11 H22 minus H12 into H21. Okay, so then we get delta H divided by H22 into I1 plus H12 H22 into I2. So this is the Z11 data and this is Z22 parameters. Okay, now write in the matrix form. Okay, so H parameters can be written as in matrix form as V1 I2 H11 H12 H21 H22 into I1 V2. So here for this Z is data hatch. Okay. Now Z parameters can be written as V1 V2 equal to Z11 Z12 Z21 Z22 into I1 I2. So these are the matrix forms of this is H parameters and this is the Z parameters. Now I am going to write Z11 Z12 in terms of H parameters. So that is Z11 means delta H by H22. So similarly Z12 means H12 divided by H22 we got, and for Z21 we got minus H21 by H22. So for Z22 we got 1 by H22. So this is the Z parameters in terms of the H parameters. So into I1 I2, here V1 V2. So here delta H means data of the H parameters matrix. Okay, and this is the process of conversion from H parameters to Z parameters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit like the video. Thank you.